Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today, we have two stories. One about peace talks for Ukraine, and one about many tourists visiting Spain. Please join us to practice English every day with the latest episode. For transcripts and quizzes, visit LinguaWire.com. Today, I am with Sarah, our LinguaWire reporter for World News. Sarah, what is new about the peace talks for Ukraine?
Hello, Daniel. The leaders of Ukraine, the UK, France and Germany met in London. They said 5 important things must happen for peace.
Can you tell us the 5 things?
Yes. First, the fighting must stop. Second, talks must start from where the soldiers are now. Third, Ukraine must have strong safety promises. Fourth, the United States must join the talks. And fifth, the talks must be fair and last a long time.
Why do these leaders want the United States to join?
They say the US is very important for peace. The US can help both sides talk and keep promises.
What is happening now in the war?
The fighting is strong. Russia uses missiles and drones to attack cities in Ukraine. Ukraine also uses new technology to reach places far inside Russia.
I heard Ukraine sent drones to a big Russian city. Is that true?
Yes. Ukrainian drones hit St. Petersburg. This city is very far from Ukraine. The attack happened during a big meeting about money in Russia. Russian leaders said this attack was very unusual.
Has the Russian leader said anything about peace?
Yes. Ukrainian President Zelensky asked for talks directly with Russia's leader, Putin. But Putin said he will only stop the war when Russia gets what it wants.
What do the European leaders say about Zelensky's letter?
They like the letter. They support talks between Ukraine and Russia. They want the US and Europe to help in the talks.
Thank you, Sarah. This is an important step for peace talks. Now I am with Adam, our LinguaWire reporter for Travel News. Adam, what is new about tourism in Spain?
Hello, Daniel. Spain had a record number of visitors in April. About 9.1 million people came to Spain that month. This is the most visitors ever in April.
Why are so many tourists going to Spain now?
Many tourists want to avoid the Middle East. There are problems and wars there now, so Spain is a safe and nice place to visit.
Can you tell us about a city where many tourists go?
Yes. Benidorm is a city by the sea with tall buildings and a big beach. It has about 77,000 people, but in summer, many more tourists come. The city feels very busy and happy then.
How has tourism changed after the COVID pandemic?
Before COVID, many tourists came to Spain. During COVID, very few people came. Now, tourism is growing fast again. Spain had 97 million visitors in 2025. Experts think 2026 will be even better.
What do local people say about this growth?
Fede Fuster, a local leader, says he is proud of the city and hopeful for the future. He thinks Spain can soon be the #1 tourist country in the world.
Is there a reason why Spain is more popular now than other places?
Yes. When there is a crisis or war in the Middle East, tourists look for safe places. Spain is one of the safest and most beautiful places for holidays.
Thank you, Adam. It sounds like Spain is a great place to visit now. Let's review some useful words from the Spain tourism story. First word, visitor. A visitor is a person who goes to a place for a short time. In the story, Spain had many visitors in April. For example, the museum had many visitors last weekend. Second word, city. A city is a large town where many people live. Benidorm is a city with a big beach. For example, I live in a city with many parks. Third word, safe. Safe means not dangerous. Spain is safe for tourists now. For example, the park is safe to visit in the daytime. Now, a useful phrase from the Ukraine story. Stop the fighting. This means to end the war or battle. People say this when they want peace. You can use it to talk about any fight. For example, please stop the fighting and talk. Or, the countries want to stop the fighting soon. This phrase is important when we talk about peace and safety. Remember, stop the fighting is used when people want to end a conflict. It is a clear and simple way to ask for peace. You can use it in many situations, not only for wars, but also for small fights. Try to use this phrase when you talk about problems or disagreements. It helps you speak clearly about peace. Follow LinguaWire for the latest daily episode and build your daily language habit with us.